Veniamo a toccare.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are gonna be looking at most of the cars. And today we are sitting in a Urus, and today we are gonna be looking at most of my cars. Okay, so here is the Lamborghini Urus. This is a really fast car. Okay guys, now we're gonna go on the new car that we bought. Now this is the V10 Spider. It is a super car. And we just picked it up today. We picked it up today, and we just got the windows tinted, like most of the stuff tinted. And basically we can't open the door because it's gonna ruin the tint on it. Now we're gonna look on the SVR. Hey guys, now we're moving on to the SVR. Now we are gonna check something, and wow, and here's a fridge in here. Oh, that goes quite far down. I will shut the fridge. Now we're moving on to the other car. Hey guys, now we're gonna move on to the V-Class. So V-Class is like a van, but it looks so cool. I wish I could sleep in it. Here is the V-Class with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 with 8 seats. Now this V-Class is so cool. I want to sleep. Bye. I'm gonna go for a quick nap. Oh, bye. Now we are moving on to the next car, guys. Now, let me pick which car. Oh yeah. Guys, now we have got a BMW. One of my favorite cars in my video games. Now I always play with this car in my video game, but that car is blue. The doors are locked. Oh, unlocked. Now, we are gonna be checking what is it in here. Do that. Hey guys, now we have moved on to an Mercedes. Let's see. Wait, I think it is AMG. Yeah, I think. And it's the best car. I mean, it's not the best car. It is a nice car. It's just a super nice car. As you can see, this is convertible. Like the convertible R8 that we just bought. Now we have come to the ending. Now make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye.